what's up, everybody? It's your main man, DJ Ron the Mechanic here, back with another video. So, yeah, y'all see me when I'm in the garage. Y'all already know something going down. So, yeah, look, I'm on here griping today. After I took my car to the shop, I had to get, got some tires put on. So, before they started working on my car, I told the guys, hey, look, man, I have some underglow lights up underneath my car. I said, be careful where you put your jack at for to jack the car up. And I pointed to the spot where they can jack the car up at. So they act like they understood, but evidently they didn't. So I just happened to, come home and something just say, turn on your lights, make sure all your lights working pretty good. So, okay, so I did that. And, man, look, let me show y'all. All right, y'all, so look, I got the car jacked up, right? So I'm about to show you what happened. So this is how I know that my light is messed up. Well, one of the lines. All right, so look. This side is like green, right? Y'all see that? So let's go to the back. Look what's going on. Whole different color back there. But it's green over here. Let's walk around. Look, same thing. So it's like it's showing like an orange. So everything like they're showing orange or whatever, yellow green or something on the other three, except for the one on the side. So that's how I know that he pinched the line on there. So you see, I got the call and the jack stand, but yeah, they pinched the line on there. So I already seen where it's located at. It's like right up front. Now I ended up taking it down just a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but here's the wire right here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but yeah, he mashed it pretty good, because where it was mounted, now where I had it mounted at, I mean, all he had to do was just put his jack right in just this little section right here where it wouldn't have harmed the wire at all, but he took it way over, I'm like, God, doggy. So, yeah. So I'm about to fix that, get that straight. But look, this is definitely pretty much for, look, all my guys that have the underglow kits on your cars, man. Look, if you gotta get something done to your ride, and if they're using a jack, make sure you point out to them where to jack your car up. Cause I don't know if y'all installed your own lights or whatever, but I installed my own, so it's just a quick, easy fix for me, But I can't say that for everybody, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get started on this. I already got my wire right here. So we're about to get started. All right, everybody, I am back. So fixed it up, that part there. So what I did, I rerouted it from where it was, like right over here where it's all dirty up at. So I rerouted it from there and brought it over. So because that's pretty much, I can see where the main spot where they be trying to jack my car up at, like right there. Hopefully they don't get to that spot there, but like I said, eventually I'm changing this out anyway. I got a new set, so I'm gonna end up changing it out. So, but yeah, so I rewired it back up. All right, let's see do it work now. Let's see what we got, y'all. See if we done fixed it up. Okay. Alright, let's see if everything's the same color. Alright. Look like everything's the same. Let's walk around here. Turn his light off. Okay. Alright, everything looks the same. Alright. So let me try blue. Let's see. Yep. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and hit a fade. Let's see. All right, y'all, let's check it out. Okay. Yep, we got it fixed, y'all. The problem is fixed. Yes. It is fixed. Everything is changing colors the way it's supposed to. All right. We are working. Yes. Change colors up. Green. And purple light. Alright. We're back in business. Yes. All right. We are back. Lights is fixed. Man. Let's see. Color red. Yep. Yeah, we glossing right now. That's what I'm talking about. And it's supposed to be purple. I don't know what kind of purple that is. Okay. Let's see, green. Okay. Okay, that's supposed to be white. That's yellow, supposed to be. Make the blue, make the green. All right, we are back in business. I don't know if y'all can see him or not. Yep, working fine, y'all, working fine. So we are good to go. Go ahead and turn it off. Yes, we are fixed. Now I can go ahead and put the car back on the jack and let him back down. That's good. That is good. All right, y'all. The problem is solved. I am done with it. So like I said, man, I already knew what had happened. He had put that jack in that one little spot, and what happened? He pinched that wire on there, and that's why it wouldn't show the same colors like the other three. But now it's straight, so I'm good to go. But I mean, that little fixing there anyway, that's gonna be temporary because, like I said, I got a whole another set. Wait a minute. What am I about to say? I know I have it somewhere. Oh yeah, here we go. Y'all excuse me, I gotta move all this junk here. Yes. So there's the other set right there. Now this one here is better than the one I have on the car. So this one here has a Bluetooth control module on it. So yeah. So I won't have to be worried about using that remote for to turn that one there on and off and all that there. Then plus it'll flow the lights a whole lot better. So yeah, that'll be cool. I can't wait to install that. So now that's definitely gonna be a job. Really and truly, the wire setup on that one is different from this one here. That's a what they call like a 3-pin connection. And this here is a 4-pin, actually 4-wire connection, and that's a 3-wire. But the way those connect, yeah, shouldn't be too bad for me to get that one on now. Yep. But hey, I am finished with it, y'all. Hey, look, it's put back together. Everything is working fine, so we are good to go. But hey, look, like I said, for all my guys out there and my ladies, if y'all have those lights on your car and you got to take it to a shop, make sure you telling people, hey, look, I have lights on my car. And point them out to where, hey, look, this is where you can jack your car up at. If not, hey, I guarantee they gonna put that jack in the wrong spot and they gonna crack one of your lines or either your lights. So just be careful out there, y'all. So hey, look, this DJ Ron Mechanic here. Hey, look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that way you won't forget a video when I drop one. So that is it for me. It's raining outside. Good little bit. Y'all see all the water on the car. But yep. Hey y'all, I am out and I'm about to clean this little mess up here and I'm done. So hey, check y'all out on the next one.